Yes, that's Kelly K, everyone. And she'll be on Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel tonight, Monday, October 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. Jamaican time. Yo, we're going to get to know her, listen to some more of her great tracks. Right now, we're going to listen to her music, and I'll see you tonight. Bless.
Motivation made it out. Fell on my face so much it felt as if I'm living in a hurricane.